Two countries that are almost on opposite sides of the world. One has the mighty Himalayas, while the other is home to the world's largest rainforest. One is drained by the rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus, while the other is dominated by the mighty Amazon River. Yet, both the countries have mountains, plateaus, plains and river systems that shape the lives of millions of people. So, what makes the physiography and drainage of India and Brazil similar, and what makes them completely different? Let's find out in today's chapter. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are starting chapter 3, Physiography and Drainage from Standard 10th SSC Geography textbook. In this lesson, we are not only studying just one country, we'll compare two fascinating countries, that is India and Brazil. We'll explore the major physiographic divisions, understand how mountains, plateaus, plains and coastal regions have developed. So let's begin our journey across the landscapes of India and Brazil. When you see the physical map of India, we see that our country is divided into 5 major physiographic divisions: the Himalayas, the North Indian plains, the peninsula, the coastal plains and the island groups. The Himalayas is one of the young fold mountains in the world. The Himalayas extend from Pamir North in Tajikistan to the east. It is a major mountain system of the Asian continent. In India, it extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Now, in this picture, you can see that the Himalayas is not a single mountain range. There are many parallel ranges. Towards the south is the Sivaliks. It is the youngest range. Next to Sivaliks are the lesser Himalayas, greater Himalayas and trans-Himalayan ranges. It ranges from south to north. Western Himalayas or Kashmir Himalayas, Central Himalayas or the Kauman Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas or Assam Himalayas. The North Indian Plains. This division lies between Himalaya mountains in the north and the Peninsula Plateau in the south. Similarly, it extends from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. It is mostly a flat low-lying area. The North Indian plains are divided into two parts. The part lying to the east of the Aravallis is the basin of the river Ganga and is therefore known as the Ganga Plains. It slopes eastwards. Most of the part of West Bengal state of India and Bangladesh together constitute the delta of the Ganga-Brahmaputra system. It is known as the Sundarbans. It is considered to be the world's largest delta. The western part of the North Indian plain is occupied by a desert and it's also known as the Thar desert. Most of Rajasthan is occupied by this desert. To the north of this desert lie the plains of Punjab. This region is spread to the west of Aravallis and Delhi ranges. These plains have formed as a result of the depositional work by river Sutlej and its tributaries. The slope of the plains is towards the west because the soil here is very fertile. Agriculture is largely practiced in this region. The peninsula. The area lying to the south of North Indian plains and tapering towards the Indian Ocean is called the peninsula. It consists of many plateaus and hill ranges. India is blessed with a long coastline extending for approximately 7,500 kilometers. It lies to the western and eastern part of the peninsula. Towards the western coast, we have the Arabian Sea. It is by and large a rocky coast. Now, rivers originating from the Western Ghats are short and swift, and hence they form estuaries. Estuaries are partially enclosed coastal body of water where fresh water from rivers and streams mix with the salt water from the ocean. The eastern coast borders the Bay of Bengal. It has formed as a result of depositional work of rivers. Many east-flowing rivers starting from the western and eastern Ghats meet this coast. Because of the gentle slope of land, rivers flow at lower velocities and deposit the sediments brought with them at the coast. As a result, deltas are found along this coast. A delta is a low-lying, fan-shaped or triangular landform created at the mouth of a river as it deposits its sediments into larger, slower moving water bodies such as an ocean or a sea. India has many small and large islands along the coast of the mainland. These are included in the coastal island groups. Besides, India has two large groups of islands, one each in the Arabian Sea and in the Bay of Bengal. The islands in the Arabian Sea are known as Lakshadweep, whereas the islands in the Bay of Bengal are called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Most of the islands in Lakshadweep are atoll islands. An atoll island is a ring-shaped coral reef that encircles a central lagoon. They are small in extent and not very high. Islands in the Andaman group are mainly volcanic islands. They are large with hills in interior parts. It includes an island called the Barren Island, which has only active volcano in India. In the Nicobar Island group, we can find atoll islands. Now, we will stop here and continue the rest of the lesson in the next video. I hope you understood this part of the lesson with the illustrations and maps shown in the video. If you have any doubts, then please feel free to ask it in the comments. I hope you like this video. If you do, then please give the video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And when you subscribe, don't forget to put on the notification bell. With that, you'll be notified of all the posted videos. This was all for now. See you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay curious, and always keep learning.